Hi guys, welcome to Wars and Lifestyle. Today's video, as you see in the thumbnail, is about how to set up a free zone company in Dubai or in UAE in 2024, starting from AED 5,999 only. Well, you see a lot of these prices on Google, on ads on YouTube, on Instagram, where they say you could set up a company for 2,000 dirhams, 1,000 dirhams, 5,000 dirhams, 8,000 dirhams. So I want to give you a little clarification and also explain you the right process of setting a free zone company in the UAE in the year 2024, because the processes sometimes change, they upgrade, so I want to give you the latest update on that. Now, as far as the pricing is concerned, you could get a license in UAE just for 1,100 dirhams also, you know. So, for example, if you're doing home tuitions, right? So you could get yourself a trade license. If you already have a visa, you don't need a visa, then you can get a license for home tuitions starting from 1,050 dirhams only, right? Now, that pricing is not applicable for rest of the license. This could be for certain businesses only, correct? Like I gave you the example, like the home tuitions. So similarly, there could be, any other license, for example, which could cost you, say, around 5,900, 5,500. Now, this fees is only for the license. It does not include the visa fees. It does not include your Emirates ID. It does not include your visa stamping. It does not include your the bank account. It only includes the trade license. That's all. Now, as I have put in the thumbnail, that you could get a free zone trade license for only 5,999. This price is also applicable only for the license. That the visa is not included in this. You could get any kind of trade license in this with multiple activities also. But if you want the visa as well, then the fees is going to be anything between 12,000 to 14,000 dirhams for a free zone trade license. Now, this license, which is for 5,500 or 5,999, this is basically meant for entrepreneurs who are already doing some sort of business in the UAE, and they already have a license, or someone who already has a visa, and he wants to start a business, he wants to get a license. So it's mostly meant for them. It's not meant for the people who are, not in Dubai, who are out of the country, and they want to come into Dubai or UAE and want to start fresh, and want to also get the visa. So for them, the minimum package available in the market is starting 12,000, 12,500. That's the starting package. And with the categories or the activities that you select, the price will vary. So if you're getting any offers below that, you should be staying away from that, because what I am telling you right now is actually the government fees. The 12,000, whatever amount, 12,500 or 400, is the free zone government fees for a trade license and the visa and the entire procedure, the package that they offer you. So if anyone is offering you 7,000, 6,000, 4,000, 8,000, so you got to be staying away from that, because it cannot be right, because this is the fees laid down by the free zone, and that whole amount goes to the free zone government or the free zone authority. When it comes to the process is very simple. For the free zone, we will require your passport copy. We will require a picture of you, like a selfie holding the passport. And if you've entered or if you've been to UAE before, then we can immediately process your trade license. If not, we can start the process, but you will have to come into UAE, so that the rest of the process can be completed, right? Some of the process can be completed while you are out of UAE, and rest of the process can be completed while you are in the country. Also, the timelines for the entire process in a free zone will be roughly around 2 weeks. That is about 14 business days. Also, with reference to taxation in the free zone, which is the most important question most of the people keep asking, that how is the taxation in the free zones? Now, in free zone, there'll be um, you know um, if you're setting up as a company and you want a waiver on tax, which is corporate tax, that's the only tax which you'll be actually paying on the profits of your business. So there are certain categories where there can be a waiver on the corporate tax as well. Other than that, you're not paying any income tax, you're not paying any capital gain tax, you're not paying any other taxes except for the VAT, which is value added tax, which you actually get from your customer or whoever you're offering the service. So you take the VAT from there and then you submit it to the government. So technically, you're not paying that VAT from your pocket. So free zones are actually meant for not having that tax burden and having a faster process. And also, uh, you could set up a company within 2 weeks from anywhere in the world, and you could operate, especially meant for online businesses like e-commerce, like digital marketing, like web development, like forex trading and stuff like that. So in 2024, you could get a trade license for 5,999 if you already have a visa. If you don't have a visa, it will cost you anything between 12,000 to 14,000. If you need more information, me and our team do not charge anything at all for setting up your company if it is a free zone, right? So the service will be absolutely free. You can come to our office anytime, meet our team, and get your work done. I will leave my contact details and the contact details of my team right here in the description. You can reach out to them and ask any questions that you may want. We'll also put in the link of our Instagram, our website. You want to visit, check details about anything, you can reach out to us. Also, you can reach out to me directly if you have any questions on my email or on my Instagram, for which also I will drop the link in there. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe, share, like, and comment on this video. Thanks a lot. Ciao.